Joining me today is Dianna Hall with ActivArmor. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So I know, we were just talking and you have developed this new really cool cast that now is available with the Jacksonville Orthopedic Institute here in Northeast Florida. And I see you have one on.
Right here.
Yeah, okay. So tell me, first of all, what was the moment or how did it come about that you created this?
Right. So I'm a chemical engineer and I have always been interested in technology and customized medicine.
An engineer.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know that's surprising, but yeah, and then I actually was running a mentoring program for children in poverty, and they had a lot of chronic conditions and acute injuries all the time, and they would come in with these filthy casts, and it was really hard for them to just be a normal kid while they were being immobilized, playing on the playground and not getting dirty. They couldn't even wash their hands to have a snack, and they would get things trapped down there. It would get itchy and smelly. I just knew that there was a better alternative with plastics and 3D printing to be able to make custom breathable, waterproof immobilization devices like casts and splints. So I developed these specifically for those kids to help them have their quality of life.
What year did you start on this?
2014.
2014.
Yep, so it's been a couple of years. So after I made a prototype for those kids, I did a couple of years of field tests in the Colorado Front Range, got amazingly positive feedback from both the patients and the referring physicians, and then started going commercially available just in the last year. So we just opened up our 6th clinic right here at JOI, which we're really excited about. We fit a lot of professional athletes and pediatrics, geriatrics, all over the country. So we're excited about this nationwide expansion that we're doing right now.
So you can take that on and off?
If the doctor says that you can,
right,
then yes. If the doctor wants you to not have it be removable, then it can also be non-removable as well, where you can't take it off. If the doctor says yes, you can take it on and off, then you can have it a removable option, just like a splint.
Wow. So you can get it wet. You can. I mean, that's a big
Right.
deal. You can take a shower with that
It's
on.
plastic, so you can take it in the shower, you can go swimming, you can sweat in it, you can ice bath, which makes it great for athletes because you can continue to train in it, and then also you can adapt it for use with TENS units for pain management, bone stimulators to reduce your bone fracture healing time, muscle stimulators, which will reduce your rehab time. So it's really adaptable for all kinds of alternative treatments as well.
So I know you've got that one on your arm. I'm assuming you can have them for your leg too. Is that?
Yes, non-weight bearing feet we're doing, ankles and feet, which is really great for swimmers, especially because you can continue to.
You can still stay in the water.
Exactly, right.
That's huge.
And then we do elbows, we do full arm casts and fingers and hands and wrists.
I know when we were about to come on air, you said don't be asking you about football. So you would think a product like this, the inspiration would have been sports.
Yes.
But it wasn't. I mean, it was
pediatrics.
You working with children, and I get totally, because kids are, they have a cast on it so bothersome. They want to scratch. I mean, I could see how
they're on the
huge.
playground,
Yes.
and they're really ultimately athletes because they're doing it every day, right? They're playing on the playground and normal. So, and athletes really get it because they're the ones that want to continue to train and stay in their sport. I mean, you have one season sometimes is make or break for an athlete. And so it's really important for them to have that quality of life, have them be able to do the things that they would normally do, like sweat and train and ice bath and all of those things that they're doing. It literally could mean their season.
Well, I'll be excited to see how things are going. Maybe we can get back together in the future in a year or two. And of course, if you're watching this and you have a break, make sure to get to the Jacksonville Orthopedic Institute. You do not want the old traditional cast.
Oh no.
You definitely want to get this one for sure.
That's right, and you can go to ActivArmor.com and you can find all the product information and referring physicians and everything that you need.
That's awesome. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.